Hi, this is Dimitri Nesteruk for Pluralsight. I'd like to welcome you to this course on MATLAB Fundamentals. In the first module of this course, I'd like to give an overview of MATLAB as a product. We're going to discuss what MATLAB is, how it's structured, and what are the different ways of actually running MATLAB. Before we get to that though, let's take a look at the structure of this course. We're starting with this overview module, in which we're basically just going to discuss MATLAB as a product. We'll then jump into MATLAB itself, and the first thing we're going to discuss is MATLAB's user interface. We'll then proceed to look at the language itself, starting with an introduction to the data types that MATLAB supports and the ways in which you can manipulate them. We'll move on to basic syntax, where you'll see how to perform simple numeric calculations. Then we'll discuss arrays and matrices, which happen to be the fundamental building blocks of just about everything you do in MATLAB. We'll then lead a discussion on ways of organizing your work in MATLAB in terms of files, and we'll also take a look at the way you can actually publish MATLAB scripts as readable documents. After that, we'll discuss data visualization, the ways that you can represent data graphically, and we'll finish it all off with a discussion of object-oriented programming, which MATLAB also happens to support.